Today we're going to learn how to harvest pepperoncini peppers. Okay, let's take a look at my prized 2 plants, and then we'll look at the others as well. Here we go. Okay, look at this plant here. Is that not gorgeous? Look at those. Look. And all these little buds, which is so amazing because we have been in triple-digit heat, and I am just amazed that these blossoms are hanging in there and providing fruit. One of the few plants that's doing rather well. I don't know if you can see the little white dots there, but I just come in and I just brush those off. Otherwise, we're going to get inundated with aphids. So, in order to harvest these, we're going to cut them at the stem. We don't want to pluck them off. We want to cut them at the stem. We are going to cut them at 1 to 2 inches because we don't want these to go past the green, because then they'll turn red, and actually they start turning a little pinkish first and then red, and that's not what we want. We want to pickle these and enjoy them. So let's get to harvesting. Let me get my nippers, and I'll be careful. I don't know if you saw my latest video where I cut my finger. Oh, and by the way, it's all healed, all better. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to get all of these peppers that are of size. You see, ooh, it's hot out here. Oh goodness. So there we go. That one might actually be a little big. We'll see. That's why, one reason why I wanted to hurry up and get out here and get this taped so that you guys could see which ones are to be harvested. But again, see, you want to cut the stem. The stem needs to stay on. You see right there? Snip. Okay, let's see here. Where? Oh, there it is. Come on. Okay, let's see what else we are going to snip. Oh, here's one. Okay. And I'm going to have to keep an eye on these because they're going to grow fast. And I don't want them to get too big. But I think that should do it for today on these. Okay, on this plant. Now let's go across the way. Oh, actually, check this one out. So this was the smaller one that was on this back wall. And it's grown quite a bit. And actually, I think that it had to do with it's in the sun more. Look at that, it even has a bud down there. Can you see that? Quite amazing. So we'll see if there's enough heat in the rest of the season for them to grow. And this one looks like it's got spots, but I don't see any bugs. Okay, we're good. Okay, now let's go across right over here. All right, so now this is our other 2 pepperoncini plants. While they look fine, can you see the difference? We have 3 different plants, and they're all growing quite differently, aren't they? Look at that. They're getting there Looks like they'll give us some, but they're not quite there, are they? I hope you enjoyed today. Next, as soon as I have enough pepperoncinis to fill up a jar, we'll do our own brine and we'll make pepperoncinis. They're gonna sit in that brine for probably about 25 days, I wanna say, and then we get to eat them. So here's hoping that it cools down in the next, I think it's supposed to cool down in the next week or so for the rest of the season, and we can get lots and lots of pepperoncinis. Until next time, peace, bye now.